How often should I touch up my gray hair roots after bleaching?
Hello there. If you've recently bleached your hair and are wondering how to keep those gray roots at bay, you're in the right place. Today, we'll discuss the frequency of touch-ups after bleaching gray hair and give you the best tips to maintain that fresh salon look.
How often should I touch up my gray roots?
Typically, gray roots start to show 4 to 6 weeks after your hair has been bleached. This can vary from person to person, depending on how quickly your hair grows and the contrast between your natural hair color and the bleach. The general rule of thumb is to touch up your roots when there's about ½ an inch to an inch of growth. Waiting too long might lead to a more complicated color matching process and uneven color results.
What factors affect the touch-up frequency?
Several factors can affect how often you need to touch up your gray roots. 1. Hair growth rate. On average, hair grows ½ an inch per month, but this can vary. 2. Original hair color. Darker hair tends to show gray roots more quickly than lighter hair. 3. Style and cut of your hair. Certain styles and cuts, such as a pixie cut or a blunt bob, may make regrowth more noticeable. 4. Quality of the initial bleaching process. If your hair was not bleached evenly or thoroughly, you might see grays popping up sooner. Remember, it's essential to keep your hair's health in mind. Touching up too often could damage your hair. It's crucial to consult with a professional to determine the best plan for your hair type and condition.
What are some tips for maintaining bleached hair?
To make your touch-ups less frequent and maintain the health of your bleached hair, here are some useful tips. 1. Use color-protecting hair products. Shampoos and conditioners made for colored hair can help extend the life of your bleach job. 2. Avoid excessive heat styling. Heat can strip the color and dry out your hair, leading to faster regrowth of gray roots. 3. Hydrate and condition your hair regularly. Bleached hair tends to be dry, so deep conditioning treatments can help keep it healthy and slow down the appearance of gray roots. 4. Consult a professional. If you're unsure about how to maintain your hair color or how often to do touch-ups, always consult a professional hairstylist. In conclusion, maintaining your fabulous bleached hair and keeping those gray roots at bay involves a balance of regular touch-ups, good hair care, and patience. Hopefully, this guide has given you a clearer idea of how often to touch up your roots and keep your hair looking fabulous. Stay beautiful and confident, and until next time, keep shining.